Jingartatien TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ki armur ki MLA ki bamikmat na ki Adli constituency ki bahap hapo ki East Khasi Hills district kila Kyntu ki samlalut bakim de satya ban Sheptieng ni ban leran ban le shik jakale atas zadik don ke Jingartatien haka Rukom im jonggi kana makin dubla ban yadaru ik jing im jagi wepat na jing pin sapriang yu khanyang jingpang HIV haga jingkram iklar pthai khubor hadi melawai ke jingalang rakhi ke World AIDS Day kabla long hanang ba shilong kini ki armut ki MLA ki bikin thop Yuba Olan Sing Sun baruba Edelbert Nongrum kilo ong bagi samla kim di benlek ranya Sheptieng benlek cik jaka ajing sumar namar bagi sorkar kelapin biang cik jaka lek tes haki jaka ajing sumar berper haka leng kejela.
I have a take on this, so I am very happy that I could attend your World AIDS Day today, and I am also benefited by attending this program. And as if you are giving me the awareness and what the program is going on, what the state government is, how it's implementing this program. So, as a legislator and as a responsible person of the state, I appeal to the more young generation to not be afraid of get themselves tested or testing. If they have any doubt regarding the lifestyle, life changes, they should not have any doubt to get tested. And if they find that they are positive, they should not fear of this, because once you take a regular medication, it can contain, you cannot spread to others, and for yourself also you can contain this disease, you cannot spread, and your immune system also will build up, because it take for once from HIV to the incubation develop into an AIDS, it takes at least 7-8 years. So if you don't take care of yourself, then your whole immune system will destroy after 7-8 years. So I appeal to the youth not to be afraid of this. If you have any doubt or suspect of yourself, get tested and take treatment. That is the appeal to the young generation of our state.
Yes, at the very first place, I feel very concerned, deeply concerned as a responsible, representative of the state. I feel that this issue is very concerned for each and everyone as a responsible citizen of the state. We should take, a keen interest by creating an awareness to oneself and to others. As I feel that any reaction there is on every action there is a reaction. So I do feel that by participating in such a program, it help a lot, and I do feel that general public also need to be aware about such thing. Like HIV has been an alarm increasing in our state. We cannot accept, and it is highly objectionable or highly questionable. Why? Because our state is a peace-loving state, and I do hope that those people who are been affected by this disease, they should come forward. They should not hesitate to come forward or feel shy or feel any embarrassment, because I feel that one step they could cure themselves and others by a courageous spirit